If you're experiencing billing issues on Coinbase, follow these steps to help resolve the problem efficiently. This guide will walk you through the necessary actions to take. Step 1. Identify the problem. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *con link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Check your payment method. Review the payment method linked to your Coinbase account. Ensure that your credit card or bank account information is accurate and up to date. If there are any discrepancies, update your payment details. Step 3. Review transaction history. Log into your Coinbase account and check your transaction history. Look for any unexpected charges or errors. This will provide clarity on what needs to be addressed. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Coinbase customer support. You can do this through the help center on their website or via the app. Provide them with detailed information about your billing problem for quicker assistance. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email for any responses or updates. If you don't hear back within a reasonable time frame, consider following up to ensure your issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your billing problems on Coinbase effectively. If issues continue, consider seeking further assistance or exploring community forums for additional support.